Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my camper. This is the rear blind there on my rear window. As you can see, I broke a string here, so I'm going to show you how to replace just this string because the other ones are still good. So you can see I marked it here so I know where it goes back the proper way. I said this goes on the right hand side of the camper, and there was 3 screws holding it. So on these corners here, there's these plastic caps. They're pretty hard to get out, but you need a little screwdriver and then prime there, press down on it on each side. They pop right out, but sometimes they get pretty sticky. You're gonna have to use 2 screwdrivers. Be really careful because these break quite easily. So I'm gonna take the one on the bottom also, and then this slides right out. Undo my knot here, take these out. So okay, I want to slide this out here. This is the string that's broken. Slide this out here, and it goes this way, and it goes out. Right here. So I'm going to undo my knot here. Take that right out. So this is the string that attaches to that one, and it goes right to this spring right here. So I have to undo this right here. So there's a little crimp here with metal here. I'm just going to pinch it off here a little bit, slide it out, and then undo the knot. Now you know it goes this way, down in there, and it goes across on that side. So now you know the length of the string. So I'm just going to lay it out on the ground here. So I bought this string at the local fabric store. The same thing. It was white and I dyed it black. So I'm going to cut it off right there. Now I know this string is the right length. Alright, my clamp here, just used a pick. Poke that under there, stick it in here, and just hit it here, and it opens it up so you can reuse it. So of course, this new string will go like this, down there. Slide my piece of metal here, string first, go to the spring, so go by about 1 inch, tie a knot in it. Put it through here again. I'm going to crimp that. And that should be nice and tight. So now I'll put a little bit of crazy glue at the end there, stiffens it up. I'm just going to cut this little ball in here. Now it's nice and hard. And just go in here. Goes right through. Let's see if I can do 4 or 5 in a row here. Should be able to. Yep, it works out pretty good. Last one. And we're gonna go that way. There should be 2 over here. I'm gonna put it through these tensioners here. If the end gets frayed up a little bit there, you can use a little bit of heat. Just heat it up a little bit and run it with your fingers like that. Makes it easier to put through the hole here. And this one had a knot. I'm going to pull on these strings here. These to be sort of tight. Pick up the slack. Slide this in here. Tighten it up a bit. So you gotta make sure you hold this down because this could pop out and you gotta redo it. Now I'm gonna take my plastic piece. And put my end cap here. This piece of paper is supposed to be over the string here. Just gonna put it in here. Slide this in here. And put the cap back on here. But this was held by 2 screws. I'm putting them back in here, so it's like that. And this goes right through here. I added an extension here, it makes it easier to reach the screws. So there's 3 screws here. One goes right through here. So it pops out there, it's good. And on the middle right here. Alright, put my 3 screws there. Now there's 2 more screws I'm going to put in. The other one in. Alright, she's all in there. Just going to open down a few times. Straighten it out. Right there, good. Yeah, looking like a charm. If you like this video, just thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.